So to start off with, you're going to want to start a new show file. To do this, you need to go to disk, which is here on the Titan mobile. Then you want to go new show, or type in whatever you want to call it. Then it will start a new show file. This is what it looks like when you first start it up. You've got your blue swap buttons here, which are basically the same on the Titan mobile. You've got your grey flash buttons down here, which again are the same on the Titan mobile. And the first thing you're going to want to do really is patch in some fixtures. So to do that, we're going to go to patch, which is here on Titan mobile. And then if you wanted a dimmer, which we use a dimmer rack for, or maybe even the hazer, you go dimmer and then just say, I don't know, let's say I want 5 of them. I want 5 there. DMX line is the universe. Address is what address it is. And then you can name it here if you want. And then when you're ready, just press soft key F, which is patch dimmers. Now the soft keys also line up to the Titan mobile. So here's the soft keys on the Titan mobile. If you click any of them, it'll line up with these. So that's them now patched in. You can select them. It's still, I've just exited out of patch window here. So then you can go increase the intensity there, decrease it, whatever. When you've finished, just clear. Then to patch some more fixtures in, we'll go back to patch, go fixtures. Then we want to go Chauve, if I can spell. And we want to go with the 140s. You have to type it in from the beginning. These are Intimidator hybrid 140 SRs, but if you just type in 140, it shows up. And then we want the 19 channel mode because you can do more with it. And we want, say, I don't know, 4 of these. Going on Universe 1, it automatically does the address for us. And then we can just press patch. And we're just going to exit out, keep pressing exit until we're out of that. So now we have the dimmers here, and we have our intimidators here. What we're going to do is we're just going to record some intensity faders for these. So you can either select the fixtures here, or you can select the group down here, which just selects all the fixtures in that group. Then we're going to go down to here, we're going to increase the intensity. Now you can see it's got a blue circle, that means it's being recorded, it's being changed. If we then press record, which is here on the Titan mobile, then up here you can see the record mode is fixture. Currently it's in fixture by default, which means that even though you only change, say, the intensity of one of the 140s or whatever, it will record all the attributes. So it will record the position, the colour, the gobo, the beam, so on. But if you change channel, it'll only record attributes that you've changed. Stage is basically just, even if you only change one fixture, it'll record all the attributes on all the fixtures. So you don't really want that. We'll go channel, and we want to just create a memory. Click anywhere that's flashing basically. And then we can clear that. Now to see what's in that queue, you can just click that. Then you can actually view the queue itself and see that it's the 5 dimmers at 100% intensity. To resize these windows, you just click this. Now, you see there's like 2 triangles in the corner. If I drag that, then it will actually resize the windows around it too. But if I just, say, drag from the middle, then it will just replace that window, won't actually change anything else. Now we're going to do the same with the intimidators. Just going to go over dimmer at 100%. And then we're going to go record. Because we changed it to channel mode last time, it's still in channel mode. Then we can just click anywhere that's flashing, and it'll do the exact same, just to show that queue has the intensity values. When I go over here and increase this, I can also just rotate these attribute wheels, which are here on the Titan mobile. And let's say I have programmed these in here, but I wanted to actually move this one across one. I can go over here to move, which is here on the Titan mobile, and click the thing I want to move and where I want to move it to. I can also copy by doing the same. Copy, and then it copies it. It's the exact same queue, just now also here. Then to delete, you can press delete, which is here on the tight mobile, and then just click on the queue and then just confirm it. Let's say I wanted to save a color on the intimidators because they have color wheels. Let's say I wanted to save it into a color palette. What I can do, if I go over here and soft key F and open workspace windows, then I can go over and find colors, which is here. So I then select the intimidators, go over to color, and then I can move it to any color I want. And then when I press record, and then that color palette, it will save it with that color showing there. Let's say I wanted to make it white again, do that there. And then I don't even need to select the fixture itself. I can just click these colors and it will change on the intimidator. If I've got fixtures set up and I just want to test that they're working quickly, or just maybe even reset them, if I select the fixtures and then head over to locate, which is here on the Titan mobile, if I click locate, then it sets all the colors back to open, and it also sets the dimmer at 100%. But you notice that there's no blue circle here. It's not actually recorded into the programmer, it's just set them as the values until you press clear, and it will clear it back off.